A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar, class senior KG, subject English. Take out a book of I Love Cursive Writing. कौन सी book निकालनी है children? I Love Cursive Writing and open the page number 29. This is the page number 29 and lecture number 28. कौन सा lecture है children? 28. Today we will do the revision of phrases. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? जो हमने sentences previous video में learn किए थे, write किए थे, आज हम उसी का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. Now see here and you have to write same as the page number 28. आपको क्या करना है 28 पेज नंबर पर जो सेंटेंसेस है वही सेम एज पेज नंबर 29 पर लिखने हैं. सो सी हियर एंड पुट योर पेंसिल हियर एंड राइट विथ मी. WHY. You have to speak with me also. WHY. Why? WHY. Why? WAS. 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 Speak with me. THE. 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 LAD. 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 SAD. 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 And this is the sign of question. This is the question mark. So it is a question. That's why we put the sign of question. इसको क्या बोलते हैं children? Question mark. So again speak with me. WHY. Why? WAS. Was. THE. The. LAD. Lad. SAD. Sad. Why was the lad sad? Now come on the second line. Write with me. THE. The. LAD. Lad. Is. Is. SAM. Sam. And this is full stop. Again read with me. THE. The. LAD. Lad. IS. SAM. Sam. The lad is Sam. Now the sentence is completed here. So we put the full stop. What is this? This is a full stop. जहाँ sentence complete हो जाता है उसके बाद क्या लगाते हैं children? Full stop. Now come on the next line. We will write the next sentence. See here. Write with me. He. And D. And. and D and this is a comma. Now write with me. S A T, set. O and on. O and on. A M A T, mat, कॉमा, इसको क्या बोलते हैं चिल्ड्रन? कॉमा. T O 2, E A T, eat. J A M, jam, and this is full stop. Again read with me. H E, he. A and D, and. D A D, dad, comma, S A T, set. O and on. M A T, mat. T O 2, E A T, eat. J A and jam. He and dad sat on a mat to eat jam. Now come on the next. See here, write with me. D A D, dad. H A S, has. A B A G, bag. This is full stop. D A D, dad. H A S, has. A B A G, bag. Dad has a bag. Now the sentence is completed here. Sentence यहाँ complete हुआ. So हमने यहाँ क्या लिखा children? Full stop लगाया. Now come on the next. Write with me. T H E, the. B A G, bag. H A S, has. A J A R, jar, and full stop. Again speak with me. T H E, the. B A G, bag. H A S, has. A J A R, jar. Now come on the next. T H E, the. J A R, jar. H A S, has. N O, no. J A M, jam. This is the sign of exclamatory. Now again read with me. T H E, the. J A R, jar. H A S, has. N O, no. J A M, jam. The jar has no jam. Again Come on the next. Write with me. A. Speak with me. H. S. O. So. B. A. D. Bad. And full stop. Again, come on the next. H. E. He. W. A. S. Was. S. A. D. Sad. Full stop. He was sad. Speak with me. So bad. He was sad. Now we will read again from the first. Speak with me. Why was the lad sad? The lad is same. He and Dad sat on a mat to eat jam. Dad has a bag. The bag has a jar. The jar has no jam. So bad. He was sad. Now in your homework you have to write this page number 29, then click a picture of it and send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है चिल्ड्रन, पेज नंबर 29 पर नीट एंड क्लीन राइटिंग में सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं एंड रीड करने हैं, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल WhatsApp नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.